Hello students, welcome back to our online class. So students, take out your English grammar book. So in a grammar book, okay, there is now comprehension. What is comprehension? What are the rules? But I am going to teach you the rules before going to the original comprehension passage. Clear? So it is in page number 127 of grammar book. Now before going to the comprehension passages, I would like to tell you what is comprehension and what are the rules. And comprehension, students, is such a thing that I am not going to give you any answer. Okay, now you have to try it and you have to tell me, and if you can tell me, I will give you the correct answer. It is all about like this because I have been teaching you all chapters, poems. Now it is you have to try your own, because comprehension is such a thing. You will get any passages. It won't be a story. Okay, any one paragraph, and from that paragraph you have then some questions will be set, and you have to answer those questions by your own by looking at comprehension passage. Now, what is comprehension? A comprehension exercise consists of a passage, a paragraph, upon which questions are set to test the student's ability. It's not upon us to explain you, okay? It is to test the student's ability to understand the content of this given text. Now you have to understand the content, what is there in the text, to infer information and meaning from it. Now you have to understand each and every meaning, and you have to gather the information, and certain questions will be set, and you have to give the answers by seeing the passage. Clear? Now here are few things. Now what is the rule? First, read the passage carefully and quickly to get the general idea. Now you have to read it carefully and quickly. At least you get some idea what is this paragraph is about or the passage is about. Now read again. Now a little slowly. Then as you have got the hint what it is about. Now you have to read slowly. As to why, but as to know the details of the passage. Now there will be some questions, as I have already told you. Now study the questions thoroughly, turn to the relevant portions of the passage, read them again and again, and then rewrite them in your own words neatly and precisely. Clear? You have to write it neatly and precisely. Now use complete sentences. Don't write only for one particular word. Write in a proper sentence. As I have been already telling you regarding 1 mark answer, you cannot write only one particular word. You have to write full sentences. If you were asked to give the meaning of any word or phrases, you should express the idea as clearly as possible in your own words. So you have to use also own words. Certain words require the kind of definition that is given in dictionary. Now take care to frame the definition in conformity with the parts of speech, that is which you are studying in grammar. So it has to be grammatically also correct. So this is all about comprehension, students. So from page number 27 the comprehension starts. Okay, the first is echoing green. Echoing green. Now you have to understand all these things by yourself. You have to answer these questions on your own by reading that passage. Clear? From now, and it's very simple one, students. So you try to do it on your own. Now I cannot explain. It's not about like lesson and I have to explain. This is comprehension. Comprehension is very much different. Okay, so students, you read all these things and we'll discuss in Zoom class. Till then, thank you.